Hey, welcome to our new video. I'm gonna teach you how backtracking works in JS. Let's understand this with an example. To move ahead, we have a variable, named animal count, that contains the following regular expression as shown on your screen. Let me explain you, how does regex works. For that you need to watch the whole video. As you can see, when we apply the test method on the following regex that we just created, we get true as output. But for this next console, we get false as output. Let me explain this part in detail. The parenthesis can you use to limit the part of the pattern that the pipe operator applies to. As you can see, we can put multiple such operator. This will help the engine to opt for more than one alternative while matching. If one does not go as suited, backtrack, and opt for another one from the list provided. Why we provide 3 alternatives for JS Engine to choose from. Now see those, /b, those are word boundaries. Did you get my point? It is placed at start and end part. Okay, now the /d from the regex will match digits, and when used with plus operator, will match for one or more digits. I hope you got the usage of /d and plus operator combined. Okay, this how the JS engine will work when /d and plus operator is placed together. Look at this question mark thing, this is an optional character.
Hey YouTube viewers, did you find this video useful enough? Then save and share this reel with your friends. Subscribe for more.